Hello guys, happy Thursday, another day, another live for the go lang tayo. Dito tayo guys, kanina nag-live ako, nakita ko yung mayroon na naman tayong mga hinog na kamatis. So today, video dyan no, para mayroon tayong pang video. I-separate natin, for the go na talaga to. Tingnan nyo yung basket ko guys, ang cute. Yan oh, nakita ko to sa thrift store. So binili ko na kasi ano lang naman naka 75 cents. So, for the go na, bilihin na. 75 cents lang. Oh, ang cute niya. Oh. Parang pang kids talaga to basket ba. Binili ko na. Panglagayan ko lang pag mag-harvest daw ako. Akala ba naman no, na marami akong haharbisin. So, ito guys. Tapos, mayroon akong kamote na naiwan ko na, nakalimutan ko nang lutuin. So, nag-sprout. Ewan ko ba kung anong tamang pagtatanim nito. Mari-research naman. Pero try ko itong itanim. Sana tumubo para may tayo, talbos ng kamote. Yan yung putito nila, laki-laki. Nag-sprout na, nakalimutan ng kainin. Sinong relate dyan, makalimutan kainin. So yan guys. Oh. Yan yung harvestin natin today. Yan, mayroon na naman tayong hinog na kamatis. Yan. Sa insalo, napungpong na oh. Yan, mayroon din dyan. Yung mga kamatis natin. Ang gaganda nila. Nagpungpong-pungpong. Yan. Oh, naganda na yung lagayan ko, handa na. Ito yung malalaking kamatis natin, pero hindi pa sila hinog. Yan. Ganda nila. Yung mga cherry tomatoes ko. Ito ibang klaseng kamatis to, yung malalaki. Yan. Yan o, malaki. Ito rin, malaki. Sobrang laki nila. Yan. Tapos ito rin, hinog na. Yan, mahinog na rin dyan. Yan siya. Yan, may manibalang. Going na rin yan, papahinog. Yan o, dyan o. Naglinas sila sa fence ng garden ko. Yan. Mayroon pa pala dito. Kukunin na natin to. Sila. Pretty. Saan pa yung mahinog? Doon pala siguro sa kabila. Sa kabilaan. Yung sili natin, ano natin later ipo-focus. Yung malapitan talaga. Malapitan. Dalawa tayo dyan. Parang correct ba oh? Parang marami talaga yung harvest ba? Mayroon na tayong manibalang na naman dyan. Yan. Malaking kamatis. Hindi pa hinog. Yung iba oh, may sira na oh. May butas. Lagyan natin sa mga manok. Guys, look at guys oh. Yung talong natin. Pangit lang ang yung bunga ba. Dapat ganyan kasi yan oh. Nagsadsad na. Ito yung talong natin oh. May isang talong. At least may isang talong. Yan. Mayroon din dito. Mulaklak na siya. Hopefully marami pa yung bunga. Yan oh. Mayroong maliliit na. Yan. Very good mga plants. Baka wala na kasi oh, yung okra dito yung dati. Nawala na. Pinagkakain na. Yung pretty natin na pepper. Yan oh, hanggang sa down. Tapos up. Parang hagdan-hagdanan to eh. Ito yung paborito kong pepper. Kasi ano, parang hagdan-hagdan yung mga bunga nila. Look at oh, mayroon pang maliliit. Ang ganda. Tapos mayroon pang mga bulaklak ay. For sure, bunga na naman. Look. How cute it is. Very cute pepper. Very cute atsal. Kung sa tuwa ni atsal sa Bisaya. Ito yung sili. Kulikot natin. Sili kulikot. Yan. Wala pa kasi tayong hinog. Kaya hindi muna natin i-harvest to. Let's harvest them when they are ready. So mayroong maliliit na naman. Oh. Ang dami niya yung bunga guys. Yung mayroon pa dun. Oh. Yan. Tapos ito guys, yung malaking pepper, ang laki na niya. Look. Guys, ang laki na niya. Oh. Ang laki na niya. Look. Ang laki na niya. Unlike last time, ang liit pa niya. Parang ganito lang. Oh. Parang ganito. Ngayon, laki na. Ang cute ng sili atsal. Ng sili kulikot. At ito naman guys, marami na siya. Last time yung nakikita natin siya lang. Malaki na siya oh. So ngayon marami na ito. Yung nakikita natin last time na bulaklak. Ngayon mayroon na maliit. Ito na naman, may prutas na naman yan. Tapos yan oh. Mayroon din siya dito. Yan, ang cute nila. So yung garden natin. Pag ano ako magtanim muna. Itanim ko to, itry ko to itanim. So ang laki ng basket natin. Pero at least mayroon tayong naha-harvest. Mayroon tayong paglagyan sa na-harvest natin. Yan ang cute ng mga tomato. Yan. Tapos try ko tong itanim. Yung kamote na nalimutan, nag-sprout na. So yun guys, natapos na nating magdilig sa tinanim. Natapos na nating itanim yung tumubo na kamote. So, diligan ko muna ulit. Diyan ko tinanim sa vacant na area na kinain na okra. Yan. Pag bugwal na ako, agoy sa ilalom. Dili kay siya basa, dry kay sa baba. So maybe it needs more water. Needs more water. Mabuhay yung ano natin. Tap na. So yan lang yung ganap natin today guys. Yan. With our cute tomato. Nilagyan ko ng with our cute tomato. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you for always supporting po sa ating walang kabuluhan na video. Let's go. Keep going lang tayo mga kapwa content creator. Thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed Thursday everyone. Bye-bye. Kami today. Pandami. Breakfast dyan. Sana yun. Yan. Pegas. Nagawin mo lang. Hawa. Bagong haircut. Ang among upaw na upaw. Mga new haircut nga ang akong boys. Oh. Hey! Ayun ito rin kay mag-add to sa ilahang lula. Mamahaw. Tapos first mamahaw sa and then add to sa mark. Sa ilahang lula. Diyan. Yan. Sa kasayuwa pa kayo mga tao. Kamay pag mga tao. Drawing siya, drawing. Oy! Sila dadadi kayo ko. Burrito. Mine is chicken and waffle.
It's butter. It's good.
Yummy daw. That good? Sick? Sick? Yeah. Yummy. Yep, we have TV. Coffee.
There have a TV there.
I know. We just got home from the grandma and grandpa and we found Bunny. He's eating the grass.
I can't see. I'm not tall. I can't see. I'm not tall. Mom. Bunny. Bunny.
He's already gone. He's trying to go away.
Bunny.
You have Megatron though, Ezekiel.
I'm hugging Megatron.
That's good. Here's the bus. Hi. Oi. Yeah, we bring Megatron with us. Yeah?
And Megatron sleeping.
I know. Do you have fun at Grandma and Grandpa?
I want a
Good.
I want another one.
It was fun, huh? Fun day with Grandma and Grandpa.
I want another pet. With that bunny rabbit.
We just
on
want
the
another
back.
pet. When we went to the store, when they saw a bird na po.
No, that bunny rabbit.
The bunny rabbit? No, we can't chase them down. It's so fast.
What about a rabbit?
Just got home. Time check 3:46 na sa afternoon. Ay, laglaag. So today guys, we just got home. It's Sunday. So another ni video. Ako lang gi-compile ang pag-harvest sa tanan nga tomatoes. So today, magkuan daw si Ezekiel mag-uban daw siya Hello, a lot of tomatoes, nak. Look at guys, oh. Yan, look, it's right here, over here. Look at that, guys. Ang ganda niya. Which one? Right here. Ezekiel, right here. The ripe one. Oh, we got a big one right here. But pick the orange one. Pick the orange one. Oh, let me see. Wow, nag-harvest na si Ezekiel. Oy, not the green one, just the red one. Over there, down there. Look at this. Look. Look, go down there, So you could pick it up. The orange one, huh? Look at that, guys. Oh, oy. Daghan kay sila, guys. Oy. Thank you for helping me here, Ezekiel. He wants to harvest daw. Today lang sila, guys. Para, oh, wow, look. Yay! Good job. That's Mommy's little helper. Siya dati ko ano. Hala ka, a lot, anak. A lot ka, ayo tag-harvest, nak. Look, you can pick in the bottom. Look. Good job. Wow. So, nang hapit may harvest. Nakita ko ni ganina buntag. Kaso, very early may ganina. Kay, namahaw mi sa gawas. Let me see what's happening. What's that? There's tomato in there? Look at that, guys. Oh, Mommy's little harvester. Look, very good. Ano, oy. Oy, ka very good. Show daw, B? Show daw ni Mama, B?
Pin me down.
He missed one. Yay! Make a very good. There's water. Ang among pepper, no pa, no.
We need pepper too.
If Mommy cooks something, we could pick, even it's still green. But for now, just let it. For now, till ready to be. Wow, that's a lot, Zeke.
We better get more.
We better get more. That's true. Cheese, drop it, cheese, Mama. Dali. Cheese, daw siya, cheese. Wala, mayroon tayong manibalang. Not yet. We're just... Oh, right here, my love. Right here. Uy. Wow, this big thing. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Manibalang na siya, manibalang. Not yet for now. Go right here. Go pick it up. Pick it up. No, right here. Look. Right here.
I'm making sure I don't get wet.
Good job. You did a great job. Go pick it up. Ooh, you did a good job. I think that's it, huh? And then we wait for the big one to be... Oh, there's one more. Good job. Good eye.
We need more.
You need more? Wow, that's a lot. Look at that. Oh, mayroon na naman kaming paabuton. Oh, look at. We can wait that one. This one too, we can wait. Woohoo! We ready?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.